A bungalow built on elevated land next to a gorgeous lake and park, surrounded by forest reserve. These and much more are the quality of this episode's featured bungalow. Hi, and welcome to Faisal Properties. Hope you're having a great day. Let's make this simple. Do you want to stay in a home that is safe and peaceful? A home that has a beautiful garden and well-manicured landscape? A modern home with spacious living and even more spacious land? This is the home for you. A 14,000 square feet bungalow located in the prime area of Section 9 Kota Damansara. This magnificent home is located in Section 9 Kota Damansara. Within a 7-kilometer radius, you are able to reach your favorite shopping and food destinations such as Ikea, Ikano, The Curve and Wanutama. Or, if you want to make a shorter trip, there's always Sunway Giza, which is less than a 10 minutes drive. As a relatively new township, it enjoys great accessibility to major highways. Within 5 minutes, you can access the NKVE and the soon upcoming Dash Highway, which will connect you to the LDP and the Penchala Link. It is super easy and convenient to get to your favorite destinations. We are Faisal Properties. Get in touch with us now for more information on the bungalow as well as other properties in the area. This is an extremely safe location with a single point of entry and exit as well as a 24-hour security surveillance. But if that is not enough, the bungalow is also installed with security blinders that will provide you with an extra level of security. Rimba Riang is known for its location being safe and providing comfort and tranquility for its residents. With its beautiful garden, a well-manicured landscape, and surrounded by forest reserve, and not to forget a lake and a park, this house provides nature living in the city. Featuring a build-up size of 6,500 square feet erected on elevated land, this home comes with 10 rooms and 10 bathrooms. This property is listed at 4.5 million ringgit. If you're keen to view this gorgeous and rare property, please do not hesitate to contact me. Once again, thank you for tuning in. I am Faisal and you are watching a Faisal Properties production.